Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make drumstick. We call them mochkacho sango. It's a healthy vegetable, as we all know. And in a simple way, I'm going to show how to prepare this. So let's get started. First, you have to clean them. Take a small knife and you have to clean it like this. This is how we have to clean them. So guys, once you peel them, this is the way it should be. Wash them and keep it aside. So now let's get started with the cooking process. So once the vessel is hot, add onion, add water to that, half a cup, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Let it boil for some time. Keep it on simmer on a slow range. Cover this and keep for at least 3 minutes. Let this simmer. Now after 3 minutes of simmering, mix this, add drumsticks, add salt is to taste, mix it well. Now you have to cover this and cook this on a slow range till the water dries up. Let's open this. I check this out, this water is almost dried up. This is how it should be. And the drumsticks are also already cooked. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add half a cup of grated coconut. Mix well. Look how beautiful they look. After you add coconut, just a minute, just keep on stirring it, and then this drumsticks are ready. I check this out. This is how you make mochkacho sango drumsticks. You can try this recipe at home. It's a delicious one. Everyone will enjoy this, and follow the step-by-step recipe. You will get this right. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Thank you very much.